Hi, my name is Amit Kanchanbaras. I am the Director for Corporate Relations at ISBR Business School, being associated with them for the last 8 years. Let me tell you something about International School for Business Research, ISBR, which is located in Electronic City, Bangalore. Uniqueness in providing management education to students who aspire to be in the industry space for a good, successful career. Now, what we do at ISBR is a very careful selection of students which come with a solid background through various assessment tests that they take. And one of the tests that we look at and we partner with them is Xavier's aptitude test, XAT. XAT has been a unique success story for us at ISBR in terms of getting the right talent, the talent which is easily groomable, getting job ready, skill ready in terms of what they mean to the industry. With the help of their aptitude, with the help of their knowledge in different domains, easy to comprehend what we teach in the business school, and the quant mindset in terms of their way to analyze complex situations really helps us as an ISBR, and more so because of the way XAT provides that platform for students to upskill, uplearn and apply those concepts in the management learning for the next 2 years. This has created a lot of good history and success stories for the students at ISBR Business School, right from the time of comprehending complex subjects like data science, analytics, finance, marketing, digital marketing, and then getting into the space of great internships and placements with niche firms like Morgan Stanley, Philips, XAT, and many more. So these are some of the attributes we always owe to XAT in terms of what kind of talent we are able to get, and it has created a series of success stories one after the other. So ISBR is proud to be associated with XAT for so many years and continues to be its collaborating partner, both ways benefiting the partner as well as us to get the right talent for the right school and make their career successful. Thank you everyone, and look forward to you coming to ISBR from XAT.